Hey, it's Gabriel. In this video I'm going to cover importing a Blender model into Unity and making changes to help it fit in. I'm going to try to keep this short since the last Unity video was so long, so expect more time lapses and less explanation. If you have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Okay, so I've already imported the model, but hopefully that wasn't the hard part. Unity was built with Blender in mind, so importing is as easy as dragging and dropping. Next to it here, you can see the model that I made in the super long episode 4 about making a car. It certainly doesn't look like it's done, but it was fine for the initial programming I did before. That aside, it's time to make Adam's model drive. The placeholder car actually works, so I'm going to swap out the placeholders for the new assets, and it should just work about the same as before. I'm going to start with the wheels. I need to remove the models of the wheels, but I don't need to remove the physics objects. Now the positions are still what they were before, so I need to change all those back to center. And then next, replacing the body. I don't need any of the blocks, so the Blender model is already conveniently organized, so I'll just move the entire body object to the car, and again change the position and rotation. And it all lines up. Next, the suspension. Same drill. Now that all the pieces are together, we can make sure that it actually lines up. As you can see, the wheels aren't in line with the axles, so I'll select the wheels and change all of their positions to move them down to line up. Now that the wheels are roughly lined up, we can give it a go. A small problem is visible now that wasn't visible before. The wheels don't actually rotate. I'll just add a line of code to the car controller script to make that happen. The water, by the way, I made solid so I'd have a flatter surface to test on. So here's the code for the car controller. I'm just going to add a line that will rotate the wheel model. Save that and we'll give that a go. Now in the scene view we can see that the wheel model is rotating. And there we go, a working car in Unity. It's amazing how much art can make a game feel polished. That's everything I wanted to hit today, so I'll see you next week when I talk about adding menus and UI.